guys, what can you see about this outfit? This one is from my daughter, and she gave it to the twins, but the twins don't like it. So time now is 10 o'clock. I just came home and I saw this. So it's so nice. Look. Wow, amazing, right? It's perfect. And this one also, look. Amazing. This one is amazing also. I'm gonna try it and let's see how much you rate this. Actually, it's good for the skirts. Yeah, look, it's perfect. Very nice. Twins don't like it. The girls don't like it. And then we have here. Can also wear this. Look. This is how it looks if you're gonna wear this. Perfect to me, eh? So I'm gonna take all of this. They don't like it. I'm gonna take it. See? Nice, right? Perfect combination. And then you can also wear this. If I'm wearing like this, I'm gonna wear also this. So nice. It's elegant, sophisticated, right? Is it right or wrong? Let's try this. This one. They like loose. My granddaughter like loose. Taya and me like fit. Look, amazing. Right? It's very nice. How come they don't like? Oh, come on, kids. When you grow, you're gonna like it. You're gonna miss it. I just came home and I saw this on the table and I asked them why. He said, Tita give us, but we don't like it. But they like my clothes. My old clothes, my house clothes, my t-shirts. They like it. Not this kind. Not this fitting one. They don't like fit. Maybe they are just thin. They don't like to see their bodies thin. So, in the future, I think, we'll have to wear like this. So that is for today's vlog. It's a kind of haul and it's so nice. Yes. Thank you so much for watching, and that is for today's video. Kaya is sleeping there, that's why. But she's not yet. Yeah, she's browsing only there. That is her place, and this is my place. And the twins is upstairs there because my daughter went to the work. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Please like and subscribe if you want this video. Like and subscribe.